and return this?
This one?
So that yes, if you want protection from. And this case I would say no, you don't pay for it again. Like yes.
Oh.
$6.
Huh?
Make sure you keep the receipt this time.
Okay, alright, thank you very much.
I'm gonna give you the
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want, if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen, if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen, where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want, if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? You know what, they're all born Jamaican, you know, 876 by birth, you know, and we're there see me up in the hometown, you know. Yes, right. Yeah. So the shot of the camera there for my shot. But yeah, anyway, people, we're there, you know. A evening, you know, and say me go in a Walmart and walk me a walk, yeah. Cause everything they in a close proximity to me still, you know, people, like, in a really far, yes, right. Yeah, so as I say, evening time, you know. And yeah, me have one plastic bag in a man. Me always have plastic bag in a man. Jamaica me come from. Anyways, me I walk around a Walmart, you know, so you see me. Yeah, and as I say, evening, you know, in that hot right now, place kind of cool. I mean, it's still hot. Hold on. Yeah, in that hot right now. You see me, dip on the cooler side. I mean, it's probably still warm, probably high 80s right now, same misty, but there's a nice cool breeze blowing and thing, you see me? So yeah, I say me I walk around at Walmart. Lady, I don't have 2 dogs. Sometimes they can't manage them dog, you know, people, and them I walk with them and the dog and lead them wherever, you know. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, sometimes they can't manage them dog. Oh, shall I go up the road? Alright, good. Showing her and her dog. Yeah, so but after 7, you know. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, man, after 7, you know, so plus the sunset probably about after 8 or about 8:30 there about. I never to remember, but somewhere near this. Somewhere near this, you see me? So yeah. So I walk out Walmart, I'm going to show now out the road. Just decide to every little where I go, I bring one with me, you see me? Yeah, man. So see the community here. Oh, we have a full moon. Yeah, so see the community here. Oh, and big of the people when I watch the video on the premiere, you see me? Or if you catch up on the rerun, no problem as well. Big up yourself. Once you tune in, big up yourself. Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. You understand? Yeah. Do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So Walmart is about, don't want to tell you, you know, maybe me have like, maybe about 25 minutes walk from about here, so maybe probably is about 25 minutes. So I can see it go. Could be less, could be a little bit more. I don't know, but we'll see when we get there, right? Yeah. So this is what them call middle school. Yeah, over there, so one of them school there. See if we can cross the road of people. Them people are weird, you know. It's like all the light green and the one them see you. Them a blast a come. Like them will drive nice and easy, you know. When them see you walk out on the road and across. So one of them people them a blast a come. But not everybody still. None of them drive good. When them see you from way out, them people they stop from a mile out as well. You have some people them stop from a mile out. Honestly, just a few people drive bad. Although Florida known for have some wild driving, but there's a few people drive bad. There's a house people. Just in case you don't wonder how the house them look down in South Florida. Yeah, there's a house. But yeah, Florida is known for like some wild driving still. You see me, Florida, California, New York, Chicago. Probably a few more places they known to have some crazy drivers. You see me? So yeah. But you do have the people them way. When them see you, them just slow down and make you go on where you go. Yeah. So yeah, people. Oh, there, as I said, this is a middle school. The front right there, around our next side. I actually go walk down on the road. So I guess you know see it. These are like the side or the back. I know how you want to terms it. Yeah, but that school will take up like about a block. It take up. So it's from one end of the road to the next end. And the same thing from the next side, you see me? So yeah. But just so you can have a look on the houses them. This is how they are. Yeah. These are like the typical style of the house them stay down on that side. Yeah. Alright? Yeah. And in case you wonder, we're basically there in the Miami Gardens area. Alright? Yeah. Which part we are going with the Walmart there? Definite Miami Gardens. But we're like across the street. Many people can see them car out there, so we are drive out of the intersection out there, so yeah. We'll cross over the road there in the community there, Miami Garden. Alright? Yeah, Miami Garden over there, so. And the whole area is basically North Miami Beach. Alright, yeah, North Miami Beach. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So we're there on the northern side of Miami, northern part. Alright? So Miami Airport they down there, so see that way there, south. We're there closer to Fort Lauderdale Airport than Miami Airport right now. You see me? I don't know if you don't watch the vlog when me that come from New York. That's why when the man did ask me where me I go, I say Miami. But actually Fort Lauderdale Airport me use. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, see school of people. Hibiscus Elementary School. Yeah. Now hiring substitute teacher. And what that? Paraprofessionals. What is paraprofessionals? You have to go, I don't know, Google it and see. But yeah. Them are hire people, I don't know what they work. But yeah, as I tell you, the school basically take up one whole block, you see me? Yeah, around this, them have like a playground, basketball court, and a few other little stuff. Yes, right. Yeah. And we reach down this, so we're gonna go up on the road where it's really busy. So probably I gonna be noisy. You see me? Yeah. Foreign lizard here. We gonna go to Jamaica make a face sufferation. Hard life. Can you go down there make a face hard life? Over here says like, I don't know, it's a parking lot. Whole heap of truck over there and they look like insurance company park vehicle over there, like crash vehicle and anything there. Yeah. I think them said to a radio station is over that side of over there, so. Yeah. This is our backyard. Pretty decent sized backyard this, you know. What more which part I come from, you know, 4 house them put on this and give it for something there, you know. And sell it, you know. You see me? Yeah. Alright people, so switch power there. You can see the sign. So yeah. This over there. Over here so is a club. A strip club people. What they call go club and foreign. And that over there. Yeah, 24 hour too. Yeah. 24 hour. So yeah, alright. So we want to cross this road there, see? As you can see, this is a very busy road, you know, people. You see me? Yeah. The crosswalk they down there so, but to make a cut through the little part here, right so there so. Just have to try cross right so. So I'm gonna just go and wait here so until it kinda clear up. Sometimes it clear up, you know, because the stoplight hold them down there. So it kinda clear up sometime, no vehicle now come. Alright, so after them set I make us see but right it more car drive out, man. Watch here, where them car come from? Out of gas station. Jaja know. And then see the light look like it gone on green, make us say, oh no, not fully green yet. Alright, so we're across right now. Alright, and look like we can cross the one or two because the light they don't necessarily on red too. So like we cross. Yeah people, as me I said, this is a club this. You see me? Yeah man. 24-hour people. Yeah. So for all of who know the place and know the area very well, you know exactly which farm there, right? Yeah. You see me? So that road there is called 180 183 or 183rd. The road they run across like this. Yeah. Or Miami Gardens Drive. Just in case you never see the sign over there. Right, this way is a little restaurant. See sign there. Say Miami Garden Square. So yeah. Remember they telling her up there so? So across the road basically Miami Gardens there. So basically that area they were there now. You see? Yeah, basically. So you know the thing there. Barber shop over there, so. Used to have a phone brother when I check somewhere over there, so across the road. Him shop used to there, but he moved. Guess me know. He moved gone way up the road you know, far. I guess him probably get a better spot, you know, or bigger space. I don't know. You see me? But yeah. Over there so, you know, a little simple mobile. I just used to hook up my phone with them. You see me? Pay like about $50 off unlimited. Yeah. I don't know how people are foreign pay so much money for phone bill, you know? All $100 and there sitting there. I know some of them pay for your phone still, but yo. And then remember when I pay for 3-4 line most I want to do it. Oh man, I don't want to do it here. But just come on $50 a month, unlimited data. You see me? Hotspot, whatever. Yeah. Because most of them places, them sell them network, them are picking off for the same cell tower. Most of them. Like none of them are Eureka tower for themselves. All them are picking off for the same cell tower. You see it? So yeah. So we're going to cross over the road here and go down a little bit more. We're so rich still, people. We're so rich. Yeah, we're so rich. See Sunday I go down over there, so yeah. I think over here, so I think it's a church over here, so the white building there, I think it's a church. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but I want to think it's a church. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, it's a church. You can see cross there down there, yeah. No one look for cross the road of people. Rotted. Nothing about car. Still want to look for cross anyway. It go clear up back. Same thing. Stop light soon hold them. People is a never ending traffic this. Alright, them light are changed down there now. And then we could have go across the road and the same thing to me have to stop at the middle again, but let's see. Alright, across after the van across. This is another little house right there, so people, but I'm not that comfortable living in one of them houses right there. So I mean, them not depend on the main road, this is a road for themselves, but I don't know, you see me? I don't know. I'm not too close to the traffic, I say. Although you know when you go in the house and lock up your house and lock up your window and you do them, turn on the AC, you know, really are getting nice still. But I don't know. Still say they're too close to me anyway, there, so yeah, man. Meaning that they're super close to one Walmart still. The Walmart that's the really right round the road. When we get to the intersection, we are going to make a right turn, my people. Yeah. So I guess the walk is like a little over 25 minutes, probably 30 minutes walk then. And me think I kind of walk easy. I think I walk that fast, you know. So if I walk fast, it could be a 20 minutes chad. Could be. Or just I cut through that little gas station and my people. And then yeah. Battery low too, you know, people. I think we should probably change out the battery, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna cross over the road and change the battery. Change out the battery and then cross over the road and thing, you know. Yeah. And here people, I could have get a bus come right there so. Actually, one of the buses I want to see pass is actually a bus that I could have taken. But you don't know, you can walk in good sometime. Yeah. Walking is good sometime. So that cross the road is basically parking lot and see the building there. Hopefully you can see, but yeah, we're basically there. You see me and what I say? The camera say about 26 minutes, so yeah, see, still never bad. So it could have been like a 20 minutes walk if me that walk hard, you know? Yeah. Alright, I'm cross. The parking lot are huge, people. Huge. Yeah. And I don't think this is a super Walmart, you know. It's big, but I don't think this is one of the super one, like the mega one them. Yeah, there's another one close by to right around this too, where it's huge as well. With a way bigger parking lot than this. Probably 2 or 3 times this parking lot size. Yeah. Florida have the space, so they spread out the thing them, you see me? Alright, so we're about to go inside, you know, people. So watch you pray. I'm flick out the battery, I put in the next one. And go inside. See it? Yeah. Alright, yeah, people. So battery change up and running. Hold on, the people, just check something. So we are going the people. Car back something to return. I'm not nobody tell me say I'll be a return things, you know. Car back something to return. You know, might walk around in there for a few seconds. And then I just come back out. But you know when I come out back, it's gonna be night, isn't it? Yeah. It's gonna be night. So I'm going to see before get to the return center. Let us see. Some money service. Customer service part where I go. which one I return this?
This one?
So then yes, if you want protection from. In this case, I would say no, you don't pay for it again. Like that. Yeah, it's $6. Make sure you keep the receipt this time.
Okay, alright, thank you very much.
I'm gonna give you the benefits. So you can claim it.
Oh, sure.
So you have one. Ellie, could you get a protection plan for me? You get a protection plan for me? Put it on the website. The 642.
Let me get a 642.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright people, so I just walk up and down for a few seconds. Looking problem. Can pass us, sir? Ah, yeah. Can pass us, sir. So we can walk up and down for a quick second. Line them super long, people, super long. So as I say, I never really plan for buying nothing, to tell you the truth. Just care back one little something. Mother beg me care back one little item for her, so I care back. But you know, so I actually want a t-shirt. Yeah, but the t-shirt I want is the stretch. Yep, stretch t-shirt I want. I'm actually I look for XL.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. If any assistance is needed, please contact.
I have 3XL. XL me I look for them. Not have it people. Cause I check online too. I check for that XL something from a good little while now and I realize that them not have it. Probably have to try the other Walmart so I don't listen. Yeah. But yeah, they not have it. Then them more than likely they not have it. Go by gadget section. Look at gadgets then. Just go look on some TV and see it. And then take ourselves. Probably the light a flicker in a people because sometimes the LED light they flickers. So maybe it a flicker, isn't it? So yeah. I don't like laptop. I don't know MacBook them now upstairs. Just regular laptop them, is it? Yeah. So more your next people. Drone. That more next. I appreciate things still. Me take that one or that one. Let me see this. So which brand is? DJI we are looking at. I don't know about Felix brand. It's the DJI one, eh? Yeah, you take that. Can you see the cost? Let me see the cost. Oh, $249. It's cheap. $249. Normally them drone are them super expensive in a people. Big money. You see me? See TV them, eh? Maybe the light a flicker as me say. I don't know. If it a flicker, let's see. And I really look like it a flicker still. But yeah. TV them have the prices. Now how much inch and all the world works. You see me? Yeah. And this is your TV, yeah. 55 inch, $314. Yeah. So on Samsung, yeah, 75 inch. Little over $1,000. Not bad. 85 inch. It's pretty much the same price. Yeah, so today. And the same price massive for this. I guess this is probably a more high tech. One of the Q madness then. Yeah, see there, one of this Q foolishness. Yeah. That one you probably no Q nothing. Yeah, just regular 4K, see there? Yeah, that's why. No, they matter about the whole queue, some of them they're supposed to show better. Yeah, it's supposed to show better. Look, tripod. Tripod there for $9 something. I'm going to try for this school. Try for it. I want to have kind of tough, it not just standard. So I want to have the camera pan now. It kind of tough, it can flex. The neck can flex on them something. So you can put it to stand up and bend the neck. So it can look over something, you know? Yeah. Some camera, yeah? You know, maybe in the future I can think about one of them camera. When my thing turn up. Look, and them have GoPro. People are take me and come take on myself, you know, still, you know. Yeah, take me and come take on myself, you know. Sorry. Yeah, man, I like kids section still, you see me? Yeah. So all who live outside of the US and wonder where the prices them like in a Walmart for certain things. Yeah, we can get a little idea. So some car seat and way. For all who know where I got have kids. Yeah, some car seat, yeah. See the cost there? Yeah. Alright. A little cheaper. You get a little thing here. Price in nobody. You understand? Price nobody. And they made us a t-shirt for days. Yeah. T-shirt for days, bro. I come take yourself and I want to people. Yeah, man, I come take yourself. What man talk sell jewelry? You know this, right? Yeah. Chain and ring and all sort of thing. But yeah. I come take yourself. Basically, I get dark outside, you know, over the side of the food section, grocery section. You know Walmart, so we don't have to spend a whole heap of long time, you know? Yeah. Come take yourself, you know? You see me? Yeah. Go back on Jamaica. And yeah, people, I want to go back across. No. I want to go back across. So on the other side, there on this side, the pickup section. So when you order online, you can just come on the side and come pick up. Yeah, pickup section around there, so people, you see me? Yeah. Alright people, so this was a quick little trip to the Walmart. You see me? Yeah. Quick check to the Walmart, you know, people. You don't know the thing going on. Big up on yourself, you know, manners and respect to everybody will tune in for that one, yeah. You see me? Never nothing special this. Just a little small walk. As I say, I start bringing to go. Every little place so I decide to try to go. I bring on, you see me? So, bless up on yourself, you know, people. All who tune in to that one, yeah. Especially people that watch on the premiere. You don't know the thing of manners and respect, you know. The raw born Jamaican 876 by birth. And up in them hometown. Yeah. In the Miami area. You see it? Yeah, man. So bless up, man, people. We are going to take ourselves here now. You see me? Yeah. Look up, so. Full moon in the sky. So you know, so the night I go bright. Yeah. Probably you can't see it, but it look well small. We have to cross this road, but here are people. Look more now. Bless up on yourself. See it? I'm out, alright? Later.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing